Are we back?
Nossa, 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 assim você me mata. Whoa.
God,
Absolutely nothing happened there.
that was a really nice uninterrupted song.
It's my favorite thing when songs go completely uninterrupted.
Yeah.
As
Isn't
in, like,
it?
when streams don't cut out.
Yeah.
Same.
When
I love
streams
that.
don't cut out, it's just so wonderful. Tonight has gone off without a hitch.
Really smooth, high quality
Sure.
production.
I'm not gonna lie. For a bit of a haphazard effort, it went pretty well.
Yeah, like, I'm pretty happy about it all. So thanks to everybody who has come back in. If anybody's come again, we literally, honest to God, no. Okay, it's good news and bad news. Like the bad news is that my laptop decided to install updates. The good news is that it didn't take about 48 hours as it usually does.
That's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
it was really fast, so we were able to get back online fairly quickly.
That actually makes it even worse. It knew it had a small update.
It's like
Now is the time to do this really small update.
I specifically said skip until later. Look, guys.
Well, I mean, it
I
was
suppose
later.
did my laptop just decide? Okay, now it's there. As Keith said, right in the middle of like, what are they doing right now? They've got loads of shit going on. Actually, I mean, loads of shit. Like the computer's using a lot of CPU memory right now.
They won't notice an update.
We do updates now.
You never pay attention to me. I'm just going to update right
I
now.
could just do it right. I could just press the update button right now. I could just do it. Don't do it, Tom. Don't do it, Tom. Don't do it. I'm doing it. Don't do it. What?
It's like your computer just got sick of you hitting remind me later.
It's like, fuck this. I'm not reminding this guy again.
The guy's a
Now or
mess.
never.
The guy's a mess. I'm just doing it.
You're getting an update whether you fucking like it or not.
Right.
Anyway.
I think we should.
We might have the one more, do we?
Yeah. Well, we had one more, so I suppose we better do it
Indeed.
because otherwise it's unfair to everyone.
It is.
The whole night feels unfinished.
Like an ice cream that you dropped. That was a great
Shall
one.
we do it?
Yeah. Don't pick a mental
Got a
key now,
Mahagateen.
Stefan, right?
Thanks. Thanks
There we
everyone
go.
for tuning in tonight. Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, La Brehes on the Heights.
Happy birthday, Tim.
And thanks everyone for tuning in tonight and everyone who supported us. And we'll be back again next week.
Well, of course. Well, of course. I'd say it'd be Thursday next week, though, will it?
Potentially.
One or the other.
I'd say usually it's Thursday. These days.
Yeah.
The pole's right in my face. I think I'll just put it in my face. Sorry about that. Shoved up there.
I'd say it will be Thursday next week.
Yeah,
And,
more than likely.
Thanks to everyone for tuning in again, for contributing. Sorry we couldn't see as many comments as we usually do. We're sitting a bit further back from the screen.
trying to get as much in as possible.
It's unreal to be playing together
Yeah.
again. So,
Yes, it is.
yeah, it's long ago. We'll see you next time.
And tomorrow is a day pretty much completely dedicated to the album, so we're really, really looking forward to that too. It's been a while since we've been able to do this. So here we go. Anyway, Gurmina Mahogany and paypal.me/Sholin as well if you fancy tipping. Thanks. Shame Leuch Yelamar Shame Heisar Yelamar Soon Sheni War's hand Oh again Yelamar When shall the roa sim wide in have and ishim one trochate free mo chéile ik trau na don go train de war na grok is on again Shame olech mo yelamar Shame o heisar yelamar Soon na sheni wara sen O chug again na yelamar A biam shabun boords gachlo Eg quig o cruas eg turn in your O squealu en am bochel bio Snarif ter tourish go I'm over She molech mo yelamar. She mo heisar yelamar. Soon na she ni wura sen. O chuig na yelamar. Ní laurian cwch bwr cyrnon. Sníl gón gawr gwyl tif cro. Na madin hawr lawn tif cro. O dim si wem bochel bio. She molecha yelamar. She mo heisar yelamar. Soon na she ni wura sen. O chuig na yelamar. She molecha yelamar. She mo heisar yelamar. Soon na she ni wura sen. O chuig a yelamar. O chuig a yelamar. Yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in for us tonight. We really enjoyed it. Great to be back with the lads again.
Surely is.
Agus feckin muid shib on chéad seachtain ile Dardine Laguna Day. Thanks so much to Tim, the Jasons, and Mike for tuning in as well and for being here. To Davey on sound, and for Bridget from Moral Support.
And design.
And the set design, of
Most
course.
importantly, the lovely set.
Bridget
I think Moral Support above. Moral Support's the main thing.
Bridget B Design, look her up on Instagram.
Bridget B Design. And Davey is sexy at Instagram.com. Okay.
You might come up with a different page, but anyway.
If you really enjoy the sound that Davey's produced tonight, you can go to paypal.me/Sholin and
give us money.
It's all
And
there.
I promise we'll pass it on to him. Just
And if anyone really likes U2 as well, you can check out all their music at paypal.me/Sholin. And we did play a few Bob Marley songs as well. And I know that website off by heart too. The Bob Marley website is paypal.me/Sholin. So, I know I'm joking. Thanks a million, guys. Gurmina Mahogany, feckin' we should make Chach on the song. Woo!
Now the awkward moment. The awkward moment where you go to turn off the stream.
We really need outro music like do 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 do. Hey!
Camera's like, I'm trying to focus,
It's
but
like
I don't know what I'm looking
It's like
at.
a game show.
Oh, he's got him. Oh, God.